Think you've seen it all on two wheels? Meet Sarah Lezito, the world's most elite stunt rider. Hailing from France, she doesn't just ride. She defies gravity. From insane high-chair wheelies to razor-sharp stoppies, her precision is world-class. She's so good that Hollywood called. Did you know she was the stunt double for Black Widow in Avengers: Age of Ultron? Yeah, those moves were all her. Pure skill, zero fear. Sarah Lezito isn't just playing the game, she's leading it. Who's inspired?